Hello, trading is closed on November 10th, 2025. We'll start by going over our disclaimer. We'll go over our calls, make some predictions. This is my trading plan for Tuesday, which is November 11th, 2025. It's just a plan now, and don't forget I can change it and I can be wrong, so trade at your own risk. I've been away from the market for about a week. I should be able to look at things tomorrow. Right now it's pretty hard to analyze. My flight was delayed last night and then got canceled. I had to stay at the airport all night, got no sleep. So I'm going to have to make this pretty quick. And if you're going to risk your own money on this, just keep in mind that normally I spend more time on my analysis. I still have people ordered my webinar without a Gmail address. If you don't have a Gmail address, I can send it, and I will send it. It's just a lot quicker and easier if you send a Gmail address to me. I just type the address in and it goes through. When there isn't a Gmail address, I have to go through some other shenanigans, which I will do. It just takes me longer. Right now, I'm just too tired to do it. If you don't have a Gmail address and want to order the webinar, just write me here, mejt.trades@gmail.com. Say, here's the address I want this webinar sent to. I'm sorry I don't have a Gmail address. That way I know I don't have to waste time asking you if you have a Gmail address. Thanks so much. Well, after Friday's action, we said if this was a false move, we should gap under this low. But if we gapped up, then it could just keep on going. Well, obviously we gapped up and it kept on going. Here's just what we said. These are the patterns we should see this week. We have a Caroline date on Wednesday. Don't forget there's a 3-day window with these things. Again, if there is a change in trend, it tends to be on one of his dates, but the converse isn't true. Just because you have one of his dates, that's no guarantee you have a change in trend. We have a new target, 68.1779. It's not a heck of a lot lower than where we closed, but unless we gap up smartly, that's my call for tomorrow. Early now we got an ultimate sell signal with an optional higher target. The sell signal obviously worked and the higher target obviously worked. MEJT said this drop wouldn't stick, and now says this rally won't stick. Gives us the target, 68.1779. Tuesday's pattern has the early low regardless of where we open. Typically it is a bullish day with a final hour high. If it's bearish, more weakness follows. We have a lower MEJT target. Unless we gap up smartly, the rules call for it to print. So if we gap up smartly, fine. We still have the 68.681 target that should print at some time. But if we don't do that, I'm looking for 68.1779. Don't forget, wild swings like this are typical of market tops. And even if we have a strong rally tomorrow, and even though I think the market is going much higher over time, we need a bigger correction first, even if it doesn't start right now. So it's a pattern with the early low, usually bullish. If it isn't a bullish day, there's usually a weakness early. It doesn't have to, but that's what usually happens. If there's no weakness early, probably we're not going to see that number. But that's a probably, it isn't a definitely. And I'll try to get some sleep and do better tomorrow, and that's today's call.